Hi, my name is Chinedu CEO of Dubiss Forex Academy. Welcome to our gold analysis, XauUsd. If this is your first time of watching our video, please subscribe to this channel, Dubiss Forex Academy. Right, we want to look at XauUsd H1 time frame. All right, we always like to use the higher time frame and then come down to lower time frame to really give you entry points. So this pattern, we saw it on H1 and H4, which is head and shoulder. We saw head and shoulder sometime. Go and watch a previous video and then you will understand. And we started buying even when it hit our liquidity zone, which was around this area. If you check it, this should be around 3 to look at it around. We started buying around 3250. All right. So from there, but I want to focus more on the latest video that was dropped on the 16th of July. You can check the video that was made last week, 16th of July. All right. We told you good. This was our liquidity zone that we identified. You can see when price was here when we made the video. I said that price most likely will move up, and then from there price may likely come down to retest this liquidity zone, which is around 3310. Go and watch the video on 16th of July. I told you that price most likely will come and retest 3310. Then from 3310, that price we fly, and then I told you to buy gold on a consolidation above 3340, and then you should target 3350, 3360, 3370, 3380, and then 3400. As we speak right now, for those that join us, even on our free channel, we send that trade. We send the video, we tell people to buy. So those that join us, this is absolutely amazing. Over 590 tips. Wow. Congratulations to those that watch our video and follow the analysis. Congratulations. Price hit that zone. For those that bought from here, you can see we bought from here. We still sold good last week. We sold when it mitigated our liquidity zone, we sold good. And then we started buying again from our key level, which was 3310. And as we speak right now, gold is at 3365. Even this morning, I've sent a trade to the free group for a buy, and they've made already 44 pips, 45 pips rather. And then also paid group, we started buying, and then we've made 30 pips, and then price is currently at our second level entry point for a buy. All right, we are expecting today. Let me show you what I'm expecting today. I'm expecting gold to somehow to be dumped. All right, gold to fall. But before that, what we are looking at is we are looking at price. Liquidity, to go and grab liquidity. You can see this zone. This is where we're expecting gold to come today. But of course, it may not just continue to go. It may come down, and then before price goes there. So we are looking for price to touch this zone, all right, which is around 3385 stroke 3390 before price we eventually fall. All right, you can see price is actually trying to retrace from this level. There is a liquidity zone here also, which is this. This is the one that is playing out as we speak right now. This zone. Price could fall from here. All right. But on a long time, I'm trying to see this price now to go and grab liquidity around 338085 or 90, 3390 for price to fall. So this is my new analysis. So if you're here right now, you need to be careful as price may eventually fall. All right. But for those that have equity who actually maybe take this trade using around here as their Excel, and then targeting price to go to around to touch this place, which is our long time forecast for gold. That gold most likely will touch 338090 and 3400. Already, gold have given us 33650 is already achieved, 3360 is already achieved, and 3370 was achieved this morning. This is awesome. Our analysis is on fire, right? Like I said, if you want to get the entry points, then you need to reach me at Dubiss1 on Telegram. Because as we speak right now, once we see that trend have changed, that price, this place, liquidity zone is being respected at price, trend have changed temporarily, we may also sell gold. So we trade what we see, not what we feel. Once we see things change, we follow that suit. If eventually continue to go as forecasted, we continue to buy. But once we see a pullback, of course, we'll trade the pullback and sell good and make money. All right. The bulls are somehow reluctant at the moment because a bull comes with the force usually we know good about. Then this particular zone 3390 will just be scattered, will be broken, and then price will now go back to look for all-time high. Price will go back maybe to look for 3438 before we talk about the all-time high. All right. This is our analysis on gold. All right. If you go to H4, you see the same thing. Look at the all-time high we're talking about. So let me open it for you to see. So H4, you can see that this pattern is still working out. So right now, at this moment, we may experience a pullback. That's why you need to be careful if you're buying. You don't need to enter with high risk, right? Even the second entry that I'm taking right now, I'm not risking high for the buy in case there will be pullback around the zone, and then I will just lose more. And by the time I take what I've made from 3310 up to 3370, there's no how a pullback. In fact, the pullback I've even entered, the second entry I've even entered is 3360 that I'm using. The one I sent in the free group was 3356 stop loss. Go there, type win Forex to Dubiss, you see it. I can show you before I end this video. Let me just show you that before I end this video. All right, so this is our Telegram channel. Look at our free Telegram channel. All right, you can see even the result that was sent here. Look at the trade that was sent this morning, and then you can see the trade that was sent this morning. We already made 45 pips. All right, you can also see our pay group as well. Okay, you can see our pay group, and then you can see the one I told you and what we're expecting. So join our free Telegram channel, Dubiss Forex Academy. Just search with Win Forex with Dubiss. All right, Win Forex with Dubiss. Once you search with Win Forex with Dubiss, look at it here. Win Forex with Dubiss. You will get to our free channel where we drop free trade. All right. So once again, thank you very much for watching. Like I said, we're expecting gold to continue, probably to give us to hit 3380 and 3390, where it can go and grab liquidity to fall. Anything can happen. You could start selling from this point. That's why you need to trade with care. Thank you very much for watching. Please drop your comment. Last week, only 3% dropped comment, and it's very bad. Please drop your comment. All right. If you are following this analysis or you took the trade, even this one, if you are going to take the trade, if you take the trade, just let us know. All right. And then share your thought with us. Thank you very much. Yes, guys.